Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of smart kitchen gadgets. These innovative appliances are designed to make your cooking experience easier, more efficient, and a whole lot smarter. Let's check them out. First up, we have the smart refrigerator. With built-in touchscreens, cameras, and Wi-Fi connectivity, these fridges revolutionize food management. You can keep track of your inventory, create shopping lists, view recipes, and even get meal suggestions based on the ingredients you have. It's like having your own personal kitchen assistant. Next, we have the smart oven. These ovens come with Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreen displays, and voice control. You can control and monitor your cooking remotely through smartphone apps. Adjust temperature and settings, access pre-programmed recipes, and make cooking a breeze. If you love slow cooking, you'll be amazed by the smart slow cooker. You can control everything from your smartphone, set timers, adjust settings, and even receive notifications when your meal is ready. It's perfect for those busy days when you want a hot and delicious meal waiting for you. Coffee lovers, rejoice! The smart coffee maker lets you schedule and brew coffee remotely. Using your smartphone, you can customize coffee strength, adjust brewing temperature, and receive personalized recommendations. Say goodbye to groggy mornings and hello to the perfect cup of joe. For precision cooking, we have the smart sous vide precision cooker. It offers precise temperature control and can be controlled through a smartphone app. You can monitor and adjust the cooking process, ensuring perfectly cooked meats and vegetables every time. The Instant Pot gets a smart upgrade too. With app-controlled cooking, recipe guidance, and remote monitoring, you can prepare delicious meals with ease. Access a variety of pre-programmed recipes, set timers, and receive notifications when your meal is done. A smart scale is a must-have for any aspiring chef. It connects to your smartphone and provides accurate ingredient measurements. Some models even offer nutritional information and sync with recipe apps, making your cooking experience more precise and effortless. Need help with food preparation? The Smart Food Processor is here to assist. With app connectivity and pre-programmed settings, you can control it remotely, get meal planning assistance, and receive recipe recommendations. It's like having a professional sous chef in your kitchen. Last but not least, we have the Smart Grill. With Wi-Fi connectivity, temperature sensors, and smartphone apps, grilling becomes a breeze. Monitor and control cooking temperatures, set timers, and get notified when your food is perfectly grilled. And there you have it, a roundup of some fantastic smart kitchen gadgets. They truly bring a whole new level of convenience and efficiency to our cooking routines. Which one caught your attention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.